Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to unzip or extract any zip or RAR file in any Android device. It's quite easy and simple. So if you really want to learn how to unzip any types of zip file, then watch this video till the end. And another thing, if you till not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of video. So let's start the video. There are two methods for unzip zip file in any Android device. First method is without third-party application. You can easily unzip any types of RAR and zip file. Second method is with a third-party application. You can easily unzip any types of zip file. If in your mobile phone by default there are not any option to unzip any zip file, then also you can unzip zip file by this second method. So let's jump in the first process. In this first method, you can unzip any types of zip file by your default file manager. So let's open file manager. Then find out here your zip file. As you can see, this is my zip file. I want to unzip it. If I want to unzip it, what we need to do, just click above on that file. Then you will see here like this. Click on here, extract files to, then select a folder where you want to unzip your file. I'm gonna select my Bluetooth folder. Then here below click on extract. Now as you can see, my file is unzipped. So this is first method. Now I will show you the second method by a third-party application. So first of all, go to Play Store and search here RAR. Then install this application. After complete installation process, open that application. Then tap on allow. Then find out your zip file from here. After that, select zip file, then tap on that icon, and now tap on browse. Then select your folder where you want to unzip it. Click on here up arrow and select folder. After that, click on OK. After that, click on OK. That's it. Now as you can see, my zip file is unzipped. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.